I welcome all of you in my channel RRP Learning Classes. In previous video, we solved some questions of mensuration. Today, we will solve some more questions of, of mensuration. So let's solve first question of the day and third question of the exercise. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square is 15,000 rupees, find the height of the hall. Solution. Let the length of the rectangular hall equal to L meter, the breadth of the rectangular hall equal to B meter, and the height of the rectangular hall equal to H meter. Perimeter of the floor of the hall equal to 2 in bracket L plus B, because the shape of rectangular hall, rectangular are 250 equal to 2 in bracket L plus B, or L plus B equal to 250 upon 2, or L plus B equal to 125 meter. Equation first. We got 125 meter when 250 meter cancelled by 2. Because the cost of painting per meter square equal to 10 rupees. So area of the four walls equal to total cost upon cost of per meter square, or 2 in bracket L plus B bracket close into S equal to total cost 15,000 rupees. 15,000 rupees per meter cost 10 rupees upon 10, because area of four walls equal to lateral surface area. From equation first, putting the value of L plus B, or 2 into 125 into S. 125 is the value of L plus B. So 2 into 125 into H equal to 1,500, because 15,000 cancelled by 10, or 200 when 2 into 125 into S, then we got 250 into H equal to 1,500, or H equal to 1,500 upon 250, or 6 equal, or H equal to 6 meter, when 1,500 cancelled by 250, we got H equal to 6 meter. Answer. Therefore, the height of the hall equal to 6 meter. It is my answer. Second question of the day and fourth question of this exercise. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint on area equal to 9.375 meter square. how many bricks of dimension 22.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container. Now solution. Total painted area equal to 9.375 meter square given in question. Total surface area of one brick equal to 2 in bracket LB plus BS plus HL bracket close equal to 2 in bracket 22.5 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus 7.5 into 22.5 bracket close equal to 2 in bracket 22.5 into 10 equal to 225 plus 10 into 7.5 equal to 75. 7.5 into 22.5 equal to 168.75 equal to 2 into 468.75. It is the sum of 225 plus 75 plus 168.75. 2 into 468.75 equal to 937.5 centimeter square. On converting to meter square, 937.5 upon 10,000 meter square equal to 9.375 into 100 upon 10,000 because the decimal put beside 9. 100 cancelled, so equal to 9.375 upon 100 meter square. Let n bricks can be painted out by the paint of the container. So total bricks n equal to total painted area upon area of one brick. Total painted area 9.375 upon area of one brick 9.375 upon 100. 9.375 upon 100 equal to 9.375 into 100 upon 9.375. 9.375 cancelled by 9.375 equal to 100. Answer. Therefore 100 bricks can be painted out by the paint of container. Thanks. I hope you must have understood.